Modern ceramic or marble serving trays are seen and styled in home decor magazines. You may see them from the kitchen to the bathroom. They can show off colorful food, stage candles, use as napkin holders, hold trinkets, as well as beauty supplies. Today, I am using supplies mostly from Lowe's and some from Dollar Tree. The supplies needed include 1 15 5/8 inch by 8 inch ceramic tile from Lowe's, 2 drawer handles from Lowe's, 4 glass stones from Dollar Tree, and Martha Stewart Silver Metallic Paint from Michael's. Now you may choose any color tile to fit your decor. I chose a gray-white marble tile. Now when I purchased it, it only cost like $1.87. But the edges were raw, so you want to paint around the tile with whatever paint you would like to do. I painted with silver metallic paint from Martha Stewart, and I let it dry. Then I turned the tile upside down and glued 1 glass stone to each of the 4 corners. And I let this dry overnight. And the reason why this is done is to prevent scratching, and it lifts the tray slightly off of your surface. The other thing that you may want to do is put some little felt circles around the glass. That would also help too. Then you want to measure where you would like the handles. I made a template and marked where I wanted to place the handles and glued them with E6000 and let them dry for 24 hours. Folks, this is so easy. It's modern, it's classy. As you will see, it may be styled in different ways. If you like what you have seen today, please like, comment, save, and subscribe. In addition, you can follow me on Instagram at Z9Designs. Thank you. Have a lovely day.